Welcome to the Busy Bee Woodworking Thickness Planer course. I'm Steve Maxwell, and I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to choose, adjust, and safely use a thickness planer. Now that could be in a professional shop or in your own home shop, in the basement, in the garage. There's different sizes of machines that are appropriate for the different applications, and like I said, I'm going to be showing you all about them. I first used a thickness planer back in the mid-70s in industrial arts class. And in the mid-1990s, I bought my own planer. That's when benchtop models like this one first came out, and they became affordable and fine for the little shop I had at the time. I've been using thickness planers ever since then. I've had a lot of experience with them, and I'm going to show you really everything you need to know to choose wisely and with confidence, and to do a little troubleshooting, and just to make thickness planers part of your woodworking life. So thanks for joining me.